Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Shein haul as promised. Don't forget to check the description box because there are links to Shein and SheGlam playlist in the description box as well as the cards. First item that I have to share with you that is only going to be a picture is an early Christmas gift. And someone's in the earshot, so we're not going to talk about it. Just know that I got this on sale. It was under $10. Okay, moving on. Next, we bought some things for the kitties. So I saw this mouse, and it was only like 70 cents. It's just a toy mouse. It also rattles, and it's pretty good quality. I was happy with that. The kitties love it. We also thought it would be fun to get the kitties some outfits. So we picked up a dinosaur and we picked up a shark. And they had these in various different colors. And we chose the green dinosaur with the blue spikes. And we chose a gray shark. We love them. The kitties don't. They act like little fainting goats when they get their outfit on. Hershey and Marshmallow look adorable in these outfits, and we got them in extra small, both of them, but the dinosaur one is a lot bigger and wears like a small, and then the shark one is more like a normal extra small. Next up, I have some jewelry to share. I don't want to get all these out. These are toe rings. I absolutely love toe rings. I haven't had them in years, and I found some on Shein, and I'm so happy that I did. They are awesome. There's so many different styles. And then these earrings here, I've been eyeing these forever and been meaning to pick them up. And then I'd forget, I'd order, I'd forget. It was a vicious cycle there for a while. But this is like a vintage, these are vintage style earrings. They come in a bunch of different styles. But I love them, and they come on this like leather material stuck in there instead of like a cardboard or some kind of paper. Or loose in the package like the toe rings. But I love them. So pretty. The last few items are makeup and beauty related. So I did get this tweezer set, and these are supposed to be eyelash tweezers. So you get an applicator one here, and the slanted ones, and the more needle nosed. Either way, they have these in a bunch of different colors. I chose the mint ones, and I can't wait to use these. I've been applying lashes for years and never really used a lot of tools, but I'm curious with these, so I wanted to pick them up. And then they have a bunch of half lashes now on the site. Their lashes are actually really good from Shein, and I wanted some half lashes, so I picked this style. They're kind of like wispy but crisscross at the same time. I love them so far. I haven't even got to use them, but I love them. And of course, SheGlam is constantly releasing new releases, new makeup releases. I did pick up a few things I was interested in trying and while using, and I will definitely do a video with them. The first item is the SheGlam Glacier Glow Smoothing Primer. Yeah. Like the ring light's making it really hard to see. But yeah, Glacier Glow Smoothing Primer. I love the packaging on this. This product looks fancy, and I was intrigued because I love their birthday primer. This one, it also comes with a spoon to get the product out. And here's what the packaging looks like. It's so nice. I love that about SheGlam. Like, the prices don't break the bank, but their products look really good and work fantastic for the price. Twist off, and it has a seal and stuff. So we'll use this in a video, but basically it's a primer that will fill pores and smooth out and give you kind of a blurring effect. I'm real excited for this. And I've been wanting to try one of these face palettes for a while. SheGlam came out with one, and I had to try this. And if you like the nails, I do have a tutorial, so that will be linked in the description box. But the SheGlam All About That Face Multifunctional Face Palette, yeah. So this is one of those face palettes that has all cream products in it. The packaging on this one is really nice. It's like a metal tin packaging, but I really like it. So you open it up. Oh, did I just force that open? Yes, I did. Anyways. So on one side you have concealers, correctors, concealers. You can use these for foundations, bronzing, whatever you want. The same thing. You got contours, highlighters, blushes. And the older I get, the more into cream products I am. Yeah, I'm really, really excited to try this. I had these in 2 different shades, I believe. And of course, I got Vanilla Sculpt. So we will be doing full face try-on kind of videos with this stuff. I cannot wait. And SheGlam face products never disappoint. Never. I have been impressed and love all of them. Love all of them. They're so good. Yeah, I still need to film a approaching 40 makeup tutorial. I definitely need to do that. I still wear whatever I want to on my eyes, but I've changed my face makeup quite a bit. So let me know if you're interested. And the last and final thing that I picked up from SheGlam is an eyeshadow palette. And it's the SheGlam Rick and Morty, the Meaninglessness of Life palette. And although I do love Back to the Future, all those movies, I haven't watched Rick and Morty. I'm willing to give it a chance. What do you guys think? Do you enjoy the show? It's got this super cool packaging. There we go. So that's neat. And super cool mirror area there. And look at the film that's on there. I love that it's got the little Rick and Morty on there. Take that off, and here are the shades. This is stunningly beautiful. They are not coming off their true color on camera because this looks blue and it's actually a really bright purple. So many looks to be created here, and the SheGlam eyeshadows are so fantastic. Shimmer shades. Look at this, like, beautiful shade there. But that's the shades, and this was under $10. And once again, these shadows, I haven't used this one yet, but the SheGlam shadows are amazing. I cannot recommend them enough. And also in the box too, you can see even the back of that is decorated with family photos. Oh, how cool is that? Very nice. Like I said, you can't beat the prices, and you can't beat the performance of the items as well. So that is everything from Shein. I am currently not waiting on any more orders right this second. Hope you enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for Get Ready With Me full face kind of SheGlam moment. Check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these.